Hello, everyone. Welcome. It's been so long since we've seen you. Sorry, just life has been insane. Work, everything else. And like a lot of you, when things get crazy, other stuff gets pushed to the side. Well, that happened to me. I haven't been able to do anything. It's been go to work, come home, go to bed, do that stuff, take care of personal things. You know how it goes. Recently, some friends of mine, another channel, they're over on Twitch, got a partnership with Hellofresh. Now, to help them out, I bought a pack, and to help me out, I thought it's supposed to be quick and easy after work. At least this way I can have something a little bit different. So I thought I'd give it a try. By the way, their promo code, they've given me permission to give, so I will post it down below as well as in the description. Hi, I'm jumping in here again. One thing I forgot to say, the promo code is good. Most places HelloFresh is available, but the direct link that I'll post is only for the US. If you are like me in Canada, go to Hellofresh.ca and I will put their code that you just cut and paste or copy into their site, and you'll still get the promotion. Just want to say that because otherwise, if you just click the link, you aren't going to get the promo, and that's going to make a big difference in your wallet. In the description, it's real easy. You go to their website, you type in the code, and that's it. What you're going to get is 50% off as well as free delivery. The other nice bonus is for every order you do, you'll get a free breakfast item. Now that goes on for as long as you keep your subscription open. So that's a great deal. But being a chef, I want to look at it and see, is this worth it? Because it's not cheap. Like with the discount code, it worked out well. But overall, it's really not that cheap. I can go out, buy everything myself, buy full packs of it, so have backup for other meals, for being able to do it again, whatever. So I thought I would go through this. I'll show you some of the cooking. We'll show you what you get, and then we'll take it from there, and we'll show you the final result. We'll give it a taste test, because if it doesn't taste good, then it doesn't matter how much it is or how cheap it is. It's just not worth it. What I will do here, though, is I'll show you the 3 meals that I got. I'll show it to you from the HelloFresh website. I'll also show you, sorry, I've got an itch. I'll show you the recipe card that comes with everything. We'll give you an idea of what you get. So, until we get in that kitchen, we'll see you all really soon. When you order, you go to their website, you choose your meals, they come to you a few days later, and you get a box that's insulated with ice, and inside are your meal choices. And most of your ingredients come in a little paper bag, and some of the others, your proteins come little vacuum pack bags. Sorry for me barking, you can sort of see them there. So I thought we would start off today, make sure I'm grabbing the right bag, with some chorizo tacos. I love tacos, I love chorizo, never thought of doing them together. Now, first impression, right off the bat, while everything comes packed really nicely, you get these great instructions, nice pictures. They tell you everything you need with full directions in the back, also telling you what kitchen utensils you're going to need. So knife, colander, whisks, things like that. What I don't like is the meals that you're going to see me cooking here are for 2 people. And the little tiny amount of meat they gave me to make 6 tacos is to be a bit on the small side. So right off the bat, I'm going to say if you are a big eater, you're either going to have to order more or you're going to have to supplement what they send you with some other stuff, whether it be a starter, whether it be dessert, something. But from what I see, what they send you isn't a ton. So in the taco kit, everything comes wrapped in plastic. Eco-friendly, not the best option, but I do understand it does keep stuff fresher. So we have our tortillas, we have some green onions, we got 1 jalapeno, we get some cheese, some mayo, some cilantro, which everything so far looks fresh. We got a nice little coleslaw kit, some shredded cabbage and stuff. We got a lime, some taco seasoning, and some kind of sauce. We'll put our bag away. Now, I'm not going to give you this recipe because, like you see, everything comes pre-proportioned, but it'll give you a chance to let you see what's involved when you're making it. So I'm going to be recording on another camera, showing you some of the prep work, showing you some of the cooking. Then the next time, basically, you see me, will be when we taste this. So let's have some fun. And we are back. And there's Normie, because of course the food's ready. So we've got our tacos. We've got 3. This is suggested portion for 2 people, because we have 3 more on the side. We've garnished them. Following the recipe, they said it takes about 15 minutes. And it did. I did change a couple of things, just to my personal likings. I'm not a fan of creamy mayo, of creamy coleslaw, so that was why we had the mayo. So I left it out. I replaced it with some oil and vinegar and just salt and pepper. But But yeah, you can see they're nice and juicy, and they smell really good. But is this worth what they charge you? We'll find out. And two things right off the bat. One, the tortilla shells are very hard. Like, I don't want to say stale, but almost like undercooked. So that was like really hard to bite into. Second of all, the cilantro that they sent me, this isn't cilantro, it's parsley. There's no flavor to it. It's parsley. The coleslaw, though, nice. Try and get a bite with everything. Not bad. They claim this is a spicy dish. Even with the jalapeno and everything, I don't find it spicy at all. And chorizo has a very nice flavor to it. Very greasy, though. Well, you can see just from like what's been dripping out and on the plate. It's very, very greasy. Just as if it was a regular taco. But very tasty. Would I buy this again from them? No. For what they charge. Now, normally this would have cost about, if I remember right, $24 for 6 tacos. They aren't that big. I can go to the local store, buy all the ingredients, and buy a lot more of them for less money. So, it was great to give me the idea. But now that I have the idea, there's nothing stopping me from doing it all myself. There's absolutely nothing that I can't buy anywhere else. So, was it quick? Yes. Was it easy? Yes. Was the instructions, the recipe good? It was very well written, easy to follow. Now, I'm a cook. I know exactly what I'm doing, but I still followed them. I followed them as if I didn't know what I was doing. And they got me to a good end result. So, my finals, if I have to score this, everything, taking everything into account, value, ease, everything, I'd give this a 6 out of 10. So, I'm going to finish this up, and we'll come back and we'll do another recipe.